welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you guys my curly girl blonde routine. This is what I use at the top of every week to help get rid of those crusty, rusty, ashy, dusty, ugly, yellow curls you see on the left. I do wash my hair throughout the week. This is just a routine I use to help tone my curls and bring it back to life. So if you want to see how I do that, just stay tuned. This is a very easy tutorial, pretty quick, and I list everything in the description box below. Okay, so to start, I'm going to mix the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo with the Pantene Leave-In Conditioner. The purple shampoo is going to help take the yellow tones out of my hair, and the conditioner just helps me spread it on my head, which you'll see me do a little bit later, but it also helps because this shampoo is drying to me personally, so the conditioner helps add a little bit more slip for me. So after I am done detangling my hair and dampening it just a little bit, I'm gonna go in and spread the conditioner and shampoo mix all over my head, similar to how I would do with toner. Once that is on, I'm gonna set my timer for 5 minutes and then I will be back. Anything more than 5 minutes could leave like a purple tint, so 5 minutes exactly. And this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. A little bit more platinum and not so yellow. Now I'm going to deep condition using the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream. I'm not really committed or loyal to any particular deep conditioner. I just make sure that I do deep condition since I am blonde and I don't want my curls to be brittle. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on and then let that sit for 45 minutes. Once I am done deep conditioning and my curls are nice and soft, I'm going to take a moisturizer. I'm using the Carol's Daughter. Again, I'm not loyal to any particular moisturizer. This is just what I have. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that and apply that in the palms of my hands to help the curls clump and form together. Once I'm done with the moisturizer, I take the Pantene Hydrating Oil from the Gold Series as well and continue to rub that in a circle all over my head. After the oil, I'm going to take the Pantene Gold Series Curl Defining Pudding, which is like a gel with a little bit less hold than Eco Styler, which is why I like it, because my curls aren't too dry or hard. They still have a little bit of softness to them. So yeah, I use that on my curls and I just keep rubbing my hands in circles to help the curls clump together. Now for my edges, for a little bit more hold, I'm going to use the Eco Styler gel opposed to the curl cream because it's not really edge secure worthy. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel and start laying those baby hairs down. I don't really have a tip for the baby hairs, just move in a C motion along your hairline, have laser focus, and yeah, get it until it looks good to you. Once I know with that side, I'm gonna go ahead and move over to the other side and just pick up where I left off and keep making C motions as I go down the side of my head. Now, I could have stopped with the edges, but I wanted a cute little part. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair and then put some Eco Styler gel on it to keep it secure and in place. Comb that out, and yeah, this is what we have before we go ahead and tie it down. So here are any areas where I think the curls need to be defined. I'm just going in and moving my hands in circles around those areas. And now we are going to tie my hair down and wait for about 30 minutes before we come back. All right, after 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take a comb and pick out the parts that are stuck to my head where I don't want them to be, and just fluff those curls out. I'm not messing with my baby hairs yet because I'm gonna go ahead and use some Got2b glue on those. And now this is just for a little bit of extra security on the edges, because you can never be too safe with the edges, but also to help define my edges some more and get them up off of my scalp so they're not blending in with my face. Okay, here is the final look. Like I said, this is just my weekly routine. I'll be sure to list everything I used in the description box below. Please be sure to share with your other bald head friends, subscribe, talk to me. I talk back in the comments, DM me on Instagram, follow me, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys next time.